Right, now in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new single project within the portal, and for this example we're going to use a Woodland Carbon Code project. So we are going to click here on create project or group scheme, or on the top here, and that will bring you through to this next page where you're going to choose whether or not it's a peatland code project, a Woodland Carbon Code project, or a Woodland Carbon Code group scheme. So we're going to go ahead and set up a Woodland Carbon Code project. Click on that and it will bring you through to this page here. So first of all, we need just some basic information about the project in question. So the project name, which should be exactly the same as it is on the S&P Global registry website. The project ID, again, which is the same as the one from the S&P site. The audit type, so whether it's a validation or a verification. So all projects for the Woodland Carbon Code have to be validated before they can be verified. So we're going to go ahead and click validation. Enter the main contact name, the contact email address, your contact phone number, and then the standard which is relevant to this project. So you may need to look at the Woodland Carbon Code website if you're unsure of this, but the version 2.2 for the Woodland Carbon Code has been out for over a year now. So anything registered, anything being validated from this stage on will be version 2.2. You can provide the S&P Global Registry link if you wish. Just makes it easier for us to find it on the portal. And then lastly is who to invoice. So this is important because it's who will be signing the contract with us as the Soil Association, and therefore who we invoice directly. So if that is the project developer and we will be paid directly by the project developer, you select that. If it is the landowner and the project developer is managing the project, then you need to select the landowner and complete the landowner details. So for this project, we'll just go with project developer. And then finally, we need to see, have you enter some key dates. So the registration date is the date that is on the S&P Global website. Once it's officially registered on our site, they will provide a registration date. So provide that date, which we'll just put in the 1st of January 2023. The implementation date is the date when work started on site. So when the first tree or the first fence goes up, we'll put that as the 1st of April. The project start date is when all the work on site is complete. And that's when the last day of planting and the carbon sequestration is claimed from that date. So there is an explanation for each one of these dates on the right hand side. So we'll say this is September, and the project duration, let's say it's 50 years, and click next. That will now set up a project in your My Projects and Group Schemes section. So you can now click here to navigate to your new project, or create a new one if you so wish at this stage. So this is the new project record that we've just set up. We've got the name of the project and a reference that our portal automatically applies to it. So that's only relevant for our systems. We have the name, the organization that this is set up under, and the stage that this project is currently at. So it's a new project, so it's just at a lead stage.